All right, y'all, I'm doing my first wash on my Honda CBR 500R. Then I'm gonna lube the chain and clean the chain and lube it. And I'm doing a 2-bucket method here. So I got one for the wheels and tires, another one for the plastics, and it shouldn't take too long at all. Yeah, so this 2-bucket method is used to make sure that you're not contaminating or scratching the paint when you have, when you're using the cleaning the wheels and everything like that. So I use this on my cars as well as on, obviously, the bike here. While I'm doing that, you guys can look at this. That's a 1972 Suzuki Trailhopper. I'm in the process of getting this bit restored or put together for my boys so that they can ride it, gently. This is, I've been online on eBay, and these are pretty, they're going for about, in rough condition, about $1,000. This one's in pretty good condition, only has 234 miles, but I'll get back to that later. I always use a leaf blower to make sure I get into all the areas I can't get with the microfiber towel. So this is very handy. All right, got some chain lube. I've got chain brush. And some Honda chain cleaner. So I'm gonna get after this, and hopefully everything's good. Chain, I don't think it needs too much, but since I wash it, I want to make sure that I keep it lubricated and cleaned. After cleaning this, I did rinse everything off. I know this isn't the best angle, but it was pretty dirty, so I'm glad I was able to clean it off. But right after, I did rinse it off with a hose. So now I'm going to just make sure I got everything off of this, and it's dry. Dry as possible. Still got a little lube on them, so that's good. You can get everything off. So now I'm going to use this. This stuff just, you spray on and leave it, let it set, and then you don't touch it afterwards. So it's pretty user-friendly. Just want to make sure that you get any overspray, especially around those tires, because it's slick. So that'll slide you down the road if you're not careful. So I went back and made sure that the wheels were clean and got all the areas that were overspray. Hope you all are doing great. I'm out here just taking a quick little ride. As you see earlier from my video, I did a quick wash. And I also did chain lube and clean. Wasn't that bad, but I just wanted to, clean it up a little bit, especially after I washed it, because then when whatever was on there, I didn't want it to, be dry or anything like that. So I'm just taking a quick little ride, getting out, enjoying some fresh air on the CBR. She's feeling good today. And yeah, man, not too windy at all. Real nice day. I seen a lot of bikes out today as well. I took a visit to a couple different bike shops today. We are 493 miles, so 600 miles is coming up pretty soon. Some of the spots have like a month and a half wait to get in for the service. Yeah, I'm not really feeling that. They have some walk-in places, but the walk-in spot, they want to charge $300 for the 6 month, for the 600 mile maintenance. So I don't know if I'm gonna spend that much. Definitely what I'm gonna do probably is get the oil change. I want to see exactly, I'm gonna look at the service manual and see exactly what they do with the 600 mile maintenance. See if they tighten things down, or kind of see if things are breaking in appropriately. Just because that's ridiculous, man. 300 bucks, not being cheap at all. I just spent $300 on a riding course, so it's not that I'm cheap, but I feel like that's a lot. I know the service manual calls for 2 hours, and on that, what the guy was telling me, the oil and stuff like that, they kind of nickel and dime you. So it might just be the shop I'm taking it to. The place I purchased this from, I've got a coupon, but it's about 70 miles away from where I'm at. So that might be a fun ride, but not sure if you got to make sure the rain is right and all that stuff. I don't want to be caught out. And then you got to wait for it to be done. So I don't want to be stuck at the dealership for 2 or 3 hours waiting for something like that to, be completed. So we'll see. I got 100 miles to think about it. Just figure out what direction I'm going to take. The one shop that I was at today, the one that I had the long wait, they do oil changes for 50 bucks. So I might be like, yo, we do this oil change real quick, make sure everything's looking good. But we'll see. I'm gonna get a quote from them. I went in there and see if it's maybe I'll do an oil change, kind of just see how much all is gonna come out. I don't want to get ripped off. You know what I'm saying? All right, Scootaheads, I'm shutting it down for this video. More to come. I'll be I'm gonna try to put out a video either once a week or once every 2 weeks. I finally got my inventory back up, so I should be pushing out videos regularly. So I definitely appreciate you guys for watching. Please continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and share the videos. I'll check you on the next one. Peace. Be blessed, y'all.